Hello and welcome to another Ercoupe TV video of a flight that was originally going to be to Truckee but ended up just going to Blue Canyon. So these are the two cameras we're using on the flight in this video. A brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black, as you can see here, which hangs upside down from the map reading light in the cockpit, and the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver, which sits on the Delkin Fat Gecko suction mount somewhere out on the wings or tail. With the GoPro Hero 8 Black, GoPro did away with the analog mic input that I used to use for the intercom audio. So now we have to use this analog to digital converter that GoPro call the GoPro mic adapter. The 3.5 mic socket from the intercom plugs into that, and you can also put in USB-C power to keep the GoPro running all day long. As this video plays out, check the way the frame pans around on the cockpit video. I haven't decided if I like that or not yet. It's funny that you can see the canopy frame moves around in a shot, even though the GoPro it's hard mounted to the airframe, so it shouldn't really move, but that software is doing complicated stuff to keep the vibration out, and that's a side effect, I guess. All right, here we go.
(2000) Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 3017. Inches of mercury.
Nevada County traffic, experimental 908, Tango Mike, departing 5, straight out, Nevada County.
Have a good flight, Dave.
Where are you headed to?
I think I'm going to head up to Truckee.
Better get back before it starts raining.
Yeah, it's coming in. Where are you going?
Just down to Lincoln for touch and goes.
Okay, left mag. That's a 75 drop, that's okay. Right mag is 30-40 drop, very good. Back to 1700, carb heat is working, and we have charge on the ammeter. Temperatures and pressures good. Flight controls, still good, no interference from the camera back there. Trim is set for takeoff, landing lights, strobes on, horizon is level, GPS, in there, Truckee. Transponder is Alt 1200. Final check of the weather at Truckee, since it's not perfect, and it is perfect there. Wind's calm, sky clear, no clouds, 10 miles visibility. Good. Density altitude 6,100. Okay. Hope you're hearing me this time. Okay, checklist was finished. Close this up a bit. Swing round here. Full aileron. Check the downwind. Feels good. Nevada County traffic. Silver Ercoupe is departing runway 25. We'll be making a left downwind departure to the east, Nevada County. The fuel there, why is that? Temperatures and pressures are good. Danger of putting it to leaning it a bit before you go. So everything's forward. A bit of a cross from the right. Oh. That wind doesn't seem too bad. I don't like the look of the valley though, Dave. And Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe turning left downwind, runway 25, Nevada County. Alright, let's go to Blue Canyon instead. It's beautiful up here, but there's weather coming in. I don't want to mix a long trip. We'll get home to Charles and Diane. That makes sense.
Okay, traffic, extending Mike space 25, Monica.
Mountains look nice, all covered in snow. Sierra Buttes sprouted in cloud. Looks nice. But yes, I hope you can hear me. Interesting to compare the difference in the quality of the new GoPro, the new tail GoPro position, which maybe you can just see there. There it is, on the tail. Still, good visual confirmation. And yeah,
final 25, full stop again.
The audio quality of the new camera would be good to see, and how it compares. Because I know there's always a little bit of a glitch. The iPhone video has always been clearer than the GoPros. So now I'm thinking it may not be. It might be similar. So we'll see. We get back. All right, Blue Canyon.
Blue Canyon Airport, Immigrant Gap, California.
Automated weather observation 1939 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 11 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 3021. Remarks. Density altitude 5,700.
Of course, the runway still may be covered in snow. Yeah, it's looking like it's covered in snow to me. See here. Can't land if it's snowy. I don't think they plow it, I guess. Alright, I think Blue Canyon is a attempt no landings there situation. Yeah. No point risking that. That would be silly. Well, let's go on a bit further, see how it is. Yeah, let's head back to base, I think. What kind of wind we get off of this mountain here. is beautiful. That's the High Sierra. Or maybe mid-rise Sierra at this point. Alright, back over Blue Canyon and back home. That was fun. There's Blue Canyon. Playmelt Flats. As Andrew refers to that little meadow down there. I guess that was a U2 or T-38 landing option up here. Not a great one. Better than trees. Frozen Lake. What lake that is. Actually, it's very flat on that side. Looks kind of man-made. Very straight edge. So soon I'm going to have to stop flying for a bit and get this into annual. Go for an oil change. Do that. Get the plugs out, clean those up. See if we need any new ones. Got a rubber boot to go on the steering linkage as it goes through the firewall. It is completely shot, so we'll put that on. I'm going to weigh the aircraft this year, get a real answer on its weight. What else? Nice to try and find a little oil seep I've got. I believe it's from the upper accessories. Gasket, might just need a new gasket. Yeah, starter and, starter? No, not starter. The alternator will have to come off. I don't know, we need a bit of investigation there. There's the field, let's switch over and check the weather.
Nevada County Airport. Automated weather observation 195 Zulu. Wind 260 at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 13 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 3017. Inches of mercury.
3017. Set the altimeter, wind is nicely down the runway. 10 miles out. Let's make our call. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is 10 miles to the east, inbound for landing, Nevada County. Yeah, definitely looks IFR down in the valley there. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is on a 4.5 mile 45 for entry to the left upwind for 25, Nevada County. Flying over Juan's house, the Blanco Lirio Global Static Headquarters. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is left upwind for 25, Nevada County. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning left crosswind, runway 25, Nevada County. Trim set for landing. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is turning a left downwind, runway 25, Nevada County. 4,200, perfect. Carb heat. Mixture rich. Beam the numbers. Drop the power to 1500 or so. 1300, that'll do. Have a headwind, so turn in a little sooner. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe turning left, short final for 25, Nevada County, full stop. Had to add some throttle in. Of a shallow approach. Ease it back. Hold it. Oh, bit of a bounce. Okay. Ease it back. Hold it. Oh, bit of a bounce. Okay. No brakes. Down to taxiway C. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe. Off 25 at Charlie, Nevada County. And lean to stop the engine.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.